Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with LCH Clearing House Review My Usage Experience. LCH Clearing House Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and analyzing the services provided by the London Clearing House, LCH. Its main purpose is to help users understand LCH's clearing processes and assess their efficiency and risk management strategies. The target audience is likely financial professionals, risk managers, and anyone involved in derivatives trading cleared through LCH. Key features would presumably include data analysis tools, reporting capabilities, and potentially comparative benchmarks against other clearing houses. Their website provides details on specific functionalities and access requirements. Their website details the various reporting options available. The service emphasizes data-driven insights, allowing users to track key performance indicators and identify potential areas for improvement. Pricing is likely based on a subscription model, although specific details are not readily available publicly. Availability is restricted to those with authorized access to LCH data. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using LCH Clearing House Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was relatively straightforward. After receiving my credentials, accessing the platform was easy. The initial onboarding process was well structured, guiding me through the different sections and features. The interface, while initially complex due to the technical nature of the data, became intuitive after a short learning curve. I used the platform primarily to analyze clearing times for interest rate swaps. The platform's reporting tools allowed me to generate custom reports quickly and easily. The data was presented clearly and concisely, enabling quick identification of trends and anomalies. I had a question regarding a specific metric and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, which was very helpful. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the data analysis capabilities were. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to customize reports to fit my specific needs. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Accessing it requires a desktop or laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with LCH Clearing House Review My Usage Experience. It's a powerful tool for anyone who needs detailed insight into LCH clearing operations. That's my overview of LCH Clearing House Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.